Good morning, Honorable Varulkar sir, Sarang sir, Khoth sir, Khoth ma'am, and all management members, parents, and my dear students. Myself, Vaishali, and my co-head Rajeshri welcome you all on behalf of Shri Convent High School and Junior College for the academic session 2020-21 in annual virtual function.
Dear students and parents, this is a very strange time for all of us. As we know that we are facing this pandemic COVID-19 period, and we are really thankful to our director Sarang sir who made it possible for us to enjoy the entertaining event, so we express our gratitude towards him.
Gurura Brahma, Gurura Vishnu, Gurura Devo Maheshwara, Gurura Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
On this auspicious occasion, we need blessing of Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. So I request our Khoth ma'am and Parathe ma'am to light the lamp and garland the portrait of Goddess Saraswati.
Students, it is very tough time for all of us, and it may take some more days ahead to get it into a normal condition. Last year at the end of the session 2020, everything was running smoothly. Suddenly the whole world was put into lockdown due to COVID-19. It was strict lockdown till the month of June. So students were suffering with loss of education. Considering this, our management team decided to conduct the online classes for 10th standard as well as other classes too. Though the situation is tough, the journey of education shouldn't stop. So continuing with it help of advanced technology and maintaining social distancing, our classes started. We all teachers and management team are really taking so much efforts for the students, and this journey will be continued till the end of the academic session 2020-21 for the development of children.
Dear students, teachers providing you not only bookish knowledge, but we want you to excel in co-scholarship and curricular activities too. Through video recording on syllabus and academics, teachers are adding to improvement this annual virtual function so that our student will be inspired to perform in various activities and to extract their hidden talent. We are providing them the platform for developing their confidence level. So let's begin with some surprises are organized for you students, and schedule has already been given to you.
Every year, students are given chance to perform on the stage, but this year, teachers are going to perform for you through various activities. Before going to start all activities, I would like to tell you once again and here the program's detail. For pre-primary, there was fashion show programs scheduled from 25th December to 28th of December, and the fashion show was conducted on 25th of December, and then Halloween party was organized on 26th of December. Projects making activity was conducted on 27th of December.
For primary classes, theme-based drawing and best out of waste activity was conducted on 26th of December. Then, face art and greeting cards was conducted on 27th of December. Then, cultural programs were scheduled on 28th of December.
For the middle school, best out of waste and college making activity was conducted on 26th of December. Singing competition was also held on 27th of December. Then Rangoli, message based Rangoli competition was held on 28th of December.
For high school classes, message based Rangoli was organized on 26th of December. Then, best out of waste activity and collage making was conducted on 27th of December. Then, all subject project model were conducted on 28th of December.
All the competitions were held on online mode. And here the program are going to start. मुलांनो, जरी शिक्षक ऑनलाईन क्लास घेत असले तरी तुमची चहलपहल ही आम्हाला शाळेच्या प्रांगणात खूप जाणवते, आणि हीच जाणीव कदाचित या प्रार्थनेतून आम्ही व्यक्त करण्याचा प्रयत्न करीत आहोत.
ओम नमो शंकराय. सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरं. नमस्कार माझा ह्या ध्यान मंदिरा. सत्य विद्याधन दे आभास एक छंद एक ध्यास
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 नावने पैल तेरी दया सागरा
ज्ञान मंदिरा
सत्यं शिवं सुंदरा सत्यं शिवं सुंदरा
सत्यं शिवं सुंदरा सत्यं शिवं सुंदरा
होवामि नीतिमन्त कलागुणी बुद्धिमन्त
होवामि नीतिमन्त कलागुणी बुद्धिमन्त
होवामि नीतिमन्त कलागुणी बुद्धिमन्त
होवामि नीतिमन्त कलागुणी बुद्धिमन्त
कीर्तीचा गड सजाए उंच अंबरा
उंचांबरा ज्ञान मंदिरा
सत्यं शिवं सुंदरा सत्यं शिवं सुंदरा
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 वाह, खूपच सुंदर गाणं गायलं.
वैशाली, कभी तुम आसाम गई हो?
नहीं तो
चलो फिर आसाम जाएंगे।
क्यों रे?
हमारा हाई स्कूल थलावा ग्रुप आसाम से डांस सीख के आया है बच्चों के लिए।
Oh my God, then let's dance in Bihu style.
পালতি পালতি মই নাযাওঁ তোকে ঘূৰি ঘূৰি চাওঁ তই যদি ভাবিছ আপোন মোৰ তোৰেনো ঘৰলে যাওঁ পালতি পালতি মই নাযাওঁ তোকে ঘূৰি ঘূৰি চাওঁ তই যদি ভাবিছ আপোন মোৰ তোৰেনো ঘৰলে যাওঁ
ইয়ে বোলে অহলীয়া সিয়ে বোলে বহলীয়া আশা কৰিছ নেকি ধনী ঘৰৰ দৰা মোৰো মনেহে গলে তোৰো মনেহে গলে কিডাল কৰিব বংশ পৰিয়ালে তোৰ যদি মন নেযায় মোৰ যদি মন নেযায় কোনেনো ভাঙিব তোৰে মোৰে জোৰা ইয়ে বোলে অহলীয়া সিয়ে বোলে বহলীয়া ঐ যোৱা ৰাতি গালতে পৰিলে পখিলা আই সোধোতে ক'লে দৰা হবি হ'বলা তেতিয়া জাননে তোলৈ মনত পৰি দুধাৰি চকুলো কিয় আহিল সৰি তোৰ যদি মন নেযায় মোৰ যদি মন নেযায় কোনেনো ভাঙিব তোৰে মোৰে জোৰা ইয়ে বোলে অহলীয়া সিয়ে বোলে বহলীয়া ঐ
Vaishali, what makes you happy most?
Music.
Music? Why?
I like music because music is my passion.
Then tell me, which song do you like most?
Shri Krishna Bhagwan, Achyutam Keshavam.
Oh, Sri Krishna Bhagwan.
हाँ, मुझे श्री कृष्ण भगवान बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। तो चलिए कृष्ण भगवान को प्राइमरी रेनबो से सुनते हैं।
हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियां जो भंवरे आके लूट गए। बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, सवार लूं, सवार लूं, है सवार लूं। हवा के झोंके आज मौसमों से रूठ गए, गुलों की शोखियां जो भंवरे आके लूट गए। बदल रही है आज जिंदगी की चाल जरा, इसी बहाने क्यों न मैं भी दिल का हाल जरा सवार लूं, है सवार लूं, सवार लूं, है सवार लूं।
આવી ગઈ રાત અને ભૂલો બધી વાત, પ્રેમની આ મોસમ છે। अब आओ मेरे पास, रह जाओ मेरे साथ, प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे। होई गई रात અને ભૂલો બધી વાત, પ્રેમની આ मौसम छे। अब आओ मेरे पास, रह जाओ मेरे साथ, प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे। मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा, तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां। सोगाड़ा तारा, छबीला तारा, रंगीला तारा, रंग वेद जुए तारी बात। सोगाड़ा तारा, ओए छबीला तारा, ओए रंगीला तारा, रंग वेद जुए तारी बात रे। सोगाड़ा तारा, ओए छबीला तारा, ओए रंगीला तारा, रंग वेद जुए तारी बात रे।
Wow, what a performance! Teachers always keep their children happy by all the possible ways and making one more time happy. Here Yogita and Manisha ma'am are going to present beautiful song from Primary Rainbows. दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा।
మించి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము ముందు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్ము ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చే తుమ్ము ప్రేమ నా పలేవు నన్ను నమ్ము ఎట్టగానే ఎదురు చూకి తగినట్టుగా నువ్వు బదులు చెబితివే అని దేవుడా లోపటే పిల్లడాంట దగ్గరై నన్ను చేరదీస్తివే బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అడ్డ బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అడ్డ బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే రాజుల కాలం కాదు రథము గుర్రం లేవు అద్దం ముందర నాతో నేను యుద్ధం చేస్తా అంటే గాజుల చేతులు జాపి దగ్గరకొచ్చిన నువ్వు చెంపల్లో చిటికేసి చక్రవర్తిని చేసావే చిన్నగా చినుకు తుంపరడిగితే కుండ పుతగా తుఫాను తెస్తివే మాటగా మల్లె పువ్వు నడిగితే ముదగా గుడ తొటగా పైనొచ్చి పడితివే బుట్ట బొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే జిందగీకే అడ్డ బొమ్మై జంట కట్టుకుంటివే వేలి నిండా నన్ను తీసి పట్టు పెట్టుకుంటివే గాలి కింది పువ్వు నేను నెత్తి నెట్టుకుంటివే
Yes, this is the real Thalaiva performance.
Now, our high school Thalaivas are presenting beautiful and heart-touching song, Madhuban Khushboo Deta Hai.
जीना है, जोरों को जीवन देना है, मधुबन खुशबू देना है, सागर सावन देना है, मधुबन खुशबू देना है।
What a synchronization they have shown. Now, our active star angels are performing on Makhna and Bandhan.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग मैं छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना मैं छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा ओ मखना छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना मैं छोड़ा ही घर बार मेरा ओ मखना
बड़खड़ चली बोलो ऐ जाती रे, बड़खड़ चली बोलो ऐ जाती रे, बड़खड़ चली बोलो ऐ जाती रे, बड़खड़ चली बोलो ऐ जाती रे। पैरों में तेरे घुंघरू की बिजुरिया छन 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 खाती रे, बड़खड़ चली बोलो ऐ जाती रे, बड़खड़ चली बोलो ऐ जाती रे।
जो होना है आज हो जाए अरे घुंघरू चाहे टूट ही जाए भी आए तूफान आए या अंबर झुक जाए
अरे बड़खड़ चली देखो ऐ जाती रे, बड़खड़ चली देखो ऐ जाती रे। पैरों में तेरे घुंघरू की बिजुरियां छन छन खाती रे। अरे बड़खड़ चली देखो ऐ जाती रे, बड़खड़ चली देखो ऐ जाती रे।
What an energetic performance of our angels.
Children, you know, India is a country where people of different religions, different languages live unitedly. Though their religion is different, but they are first Indian. To express gratitude towards Mother Earth, our primary rainbows are going to present beautiful patriotic song. ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ भी याद रहे तू।
आपल्या महाराष्ट्राला सांस्कृतिक वारसा लाभलेला आहे आणि ऐतिहासिक सुद्धा. आपल्या राज्याच्या निर्मितीकरता कितीतरी लोकांनी समर्पण दिलेले आहे. त्यातीलच एक म्हणजे शिवाजी महाराज आणि पेशवा बाजीराव. तर आपल्या समोर नृत्याद्वारे सादर करीत आहे बाजीरावांची भूमिका आपले मानकर सर.
बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिडक झिडक मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क झाली चटक मटक फटक झाली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली. बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिडक झिडक मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क झाली चटक मटक फटक झाली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली. धीरे धीरे बड़ी चली जो थी चिंगारी छोटी चिंगारी भरी 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 है मन की अलमारी. आज अलमारी हुई सतरंगी झाली सतरंगी हुई सतरंगी थी जो ये रात काली. खड़क धड़क भड़क झाली चटक मटक फटक झाली दुश्मन की देखो जो वाट लावली. बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिडक झिडक मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क झाली चटक मटक फटक झाली दुश्मन की देखो जो फाट लावली.
वा,
अप्रतिम.
आई आणि मुलाचं नातं हे किती सुंदर आणि निर्मळ असतं. मुलांच्या सुखदुःखात सिंहाचा वाटा आई नेहमीच आईचा असतो आणि अशाच प्रकारे कुठल्याही अडचणीत त्यांच्यात आशेचा किरण आई जागृत करण्यात नेहमीच अग्रेसर असते. तर आपल्या समोर प्री 9 प्लॅनेट्स सादर करीत आहे
आशाए खिले दिल की
उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की.
आशा
ओए की गलत सोनिया,
मैंने नचने का मन करिए।
चल फिर भांगड़ा देखेंगे।
भांगड़ा?
हाँ ये देखो भांगड़ा। नाउ our 7 wonders are going to perform भांगड़ा।
ਲਓ ਜੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਸੁਣੋ ਸੁਣੋ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗਾ ਤੂੰ ਵੀ ਨਾ ਢੋਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਨਾਨ ਸਟਾਪ
Slow it down.
ओ एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी, लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा। ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, तेरे पीछे पड़ा। मेरे नाल कर ले जरा। दिल देना दिल लेना, दिल देना दिल लेना। है सौदा, है सौदा, है सौदा करा करा। है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा।
तुझे लगता खराब मुझे लगता बुरा सौदा इश्क दा जो है तेरा आ आ एवे सेट तू ना हो पर हाथ let me go spoil करना तू मूड मेरा आ आ
ओ दिल को तूने छुआ, ओ जट सेंटी हुआ। ओ दिल को तूने छुआ, जट सेंटी हुआ। मेरे नाल कर ले जरा। दिल देना दिल लेना, दिल देना दिल लेना। है सौदा, है सौदा, है सौदा करा करा। है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा। है सौदा करा करा, है सौदा करा करा। है सौदा
जो बोले सोनिया।
सत श्री अकाल।
Wow, what a performance! Teachers are always ready to do something special for the students, and here we can say confidently with this performance. Now, Udawat ma'am is presenting motivational song. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए,
Concentrated H2S support
बचपन तो गया जवानी भी गई एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो बचपन तो गया जवानी भी गई एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो सारी उम्र हम मर के जी लिए एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो ना 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 Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance for a grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance for a grow up once again. Na 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 na
Very nice, Udantman.
Now, we are on the last part of annual function and that is the vote of thanks. I would request to our respected Vice Principal Paratama for vote of thanks.
A warm and cherished morning to our most valued Honorable Director, Shri Varudkar Sir, Mrs. Varudkar Ma'am, Shri Koth Sir, Mrs. Koth Ma'am, Mr. Sarang Sir, Leena Ma'am, Savita Ma'am, all the management members, Principal Srimati Deshpande Ma'am, all my dear teachers, dear parents, my beloved students and all the non-teaching staff. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of all the teachers with whole staff who worked hard to make our annual virtual gathering a success. This time, it was really difficult for all of us to celebrate the function physically due to increasing cases of COVID-19. But technology proved it possible and we could enjoy some moments even though the situation is tough. On behalf of Sri Convent High School and Junior College and the entire fraternity of the institute, I must thank Almighty God for making our event a grand success. Without His blessings and grace, it wasn't possible at all. I give a heartfelt vote of thanks to our Director Sir, Sarang Sir, Leena Ma'am, Savita Ma'am and all the management members who inspired us to celebrate the function in this tough time. Their support is strong enough for encouraging us. I thank our Principal Srimati Ranjana Deshpande Ma'am for her guidance and cooperation. I am thankful to all the teachers and staff members who worked hard continuously since last 2 weeks with a deep sense of appreciation. I thank all my teaching and non-teaching staff also. I also want to thank a special person who worked behind the scene to execute the event, handling technical arrangements. She is none other than Miss Pooja Verma. Thanks Pooja for your support. Our sincere gratitude goes out to all the parents, well-wishers for your rock-solid support system, for encouraging the children. Without your cooperation, our students were not able to excel. Finally, I would like to thank my budding rock stars who made this event happy and pleasant with their impressive performances. Without your involvement, this wouldn't be a successful event. Children, we are really missing you very much. Our school is just a building without you. Hope we will meet soon. Once again, I thank all the dignitaries, participants and audience. Before leaving, I would request you to take proper care of yourself along with your family members. As per present situation, we are not sure about eradication of coronavirus. So, one need to take utmost care of myself. I will suggest you to maintain proper distance and few lines for you. Today's only task, always wear mask. Today's only task, always wear mask. If you are wiser, frequently use sanitizer. And 2 गज की दूरी है बहुत जरूरी.